Hi everyone, this is Mike Celestino with Inside the Magic, and I've got another Funko Disney Treasures subscription box review. Actually, it's not really a subscription box anymore because the actual subscription service has come to an end. And my understanding of the way it works now is you get these individual boxes that you can order kind of one at a time as they're released through the website. But I did just get this one over the weekend in the mail. They sent me this review copy of the April 2018 box. You can see right there the theme is adventure. You got a nice little map with a dagger going through it for April 2018. And let's open her up here. As usual, the first thing we see inside this Disney Treasures box is a patch. This time it's Peter Pan from the Disney animated version of the famous J.M. Barrie Peter Pan story. And you've also got a pin. And the pin this time is Disney's Robin Hood. Going with the adventure theme. Let's see if we can get that in focus there. There he is. Nice looking pin. Let's see what else we've got inside the box. This is one of the larger boxes that has come with this Disney Treasures series. And upon opening the main part of the box here, the first thing that's obvious is a giant Pop Rides, and it's Orville the Seagull from The Rescuers, which I haven't thought about in a long time. So I'm pretty excited actually, because that was one of my favorite Disney animated movies as a kid. Here's the front side of Orville. I may have to take this out of the box this time to get a good look at it. And you can see Miss Bianca and Bernard are riding there on Orville's back. You've got the, here's the sticker for the adventure theme that comes with the box. Here's the back side of the Orville box with illustration of the characters there. Bottom. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I don't usually do this for these videos, but I think it's going to be easier to see. Okay, there we go. There's the Orville ride with the Bianca and Bernard little guys up here on the top. That's really cool. I'm not a big Pop guy, but this is one of my favorite pieces that they've sent in this series. Just a lot of cool detail there, and really brings back fond memories of The Rescuers, watching that when I was a kid. Really like the look of that. Top-down view there. Here's a closer look at the two mice characters. And a front side of Orville. That's pretty cool. Here's the back side of Orville with a look at his little webbed feet here. And the rear side of the mice characters with their luggage and these little matchsticks they're taking with them on their trip as they fly on the back of their seagull friend. Really neat. Okay, I'm going to kind of leave the best for last with this tin here, which is usually my favorite part. So let's start with this. This is looks like a luggage tag featuring Stitch. You can put your name and address on the back here and attach this to your luggage when you head down to Walt Disney World or out here to Southern California to go to Disneyland Resort. You can have Stitch remember your name and address in case your luggage goes missing. That's pretty neat. And then finally, there's an Incredibles 2. Here's the logo for Incredibles 2 on the top. This is a collectible tin. I'm gonna take off the wrapping here. And it's got that great mural artwork that you've seen around a bunch. And you've got Mr. Incredible, Dash and Frozone Edna Mode here on the side, and Elastigirl, and Violet, Jack, and this raccoon that, if you went to D23 Expo last year, you know that raccoon plays a very funny part in the film coming up this summer, Incredibles 2. Let's see what's inside here. As usual, there's a sealed black bag, and inside the bag we've got, which character? You want to guess? I can kind of see it already. We've got Elastigirl, Mystery Minnie with her mask and the red Incredibles uniform. Here's the back side of Elastigirl. Left, right side, left side, top. There's her hair. Looking good. Okay, here's everything that came in the April 2018 Disney Treasures box from Funko. Again, not quite a subscription service anymore. But I would say the quantity of stuff in here isn't very high, but the sheer size of this Orville Funko Pop Rides definitely more than makes up for whatever it lacks in the number of items that came in here, because you know, you've got your usual patch and pin, the Mystery Minnie, this neat luggage tag, which I probably won't use, but I think people will be into that. Here's the box from Orville. Overall, though, I think this is a good value for what they charge for one of these boxes on the site, and I'd recommend it if you're a fan of the Rescuers. Definitely, this is something that you're going to want to have. So keep an eye out for the next box, which should, I imagine, would be up in June, or available for order soon on the Funko website. And this is Mike from Inside the Magic, saying thank you for watching. Really appreciate it, and we'll see you very, very soon. Signing off.